To begin installing Profile 3 fibre cement sheeting, lay the first sheet at the eaves at one end of the building with the smooth surface facing upwards. The head of the sheet should be positioned 50mm from the centre of the purlin and the sheet should be square to the framework. The sheets are fixed using a simple method of 2 fixings per purlin per sheet and go through the crest of the corrugations as shown here. 105mm self-drilling screws can be used for fixing, which eliminates the need to pre-drill oversized holes, such as when using more traditional fixing methods. In regular conditions, a 150mm end lap is required. If your project is located in any of the highlighted areas, then increased end laps or butyl sealing strips may be required. Speak to the Eternit technical team with any queries. Lay the second sheet upslope, overlapping the bottom sheet by the required end lap. To avoid a build-up of fibre cement at the overlaps, a diagonal cut is made, called a mitre. The mitre measurements are dictated by the end and side laps as shown here. Once the mitre is cut, the sheet can then be fixed into position using the 2 fixings per purlin per sheet rule. Continue sheeting along the length of the building, starting at the eaves and working up to the ridge with each run, mitering where necessary. When laying the sheets, ensure all end and side laps are perfectly aligned.